In this video, we will cover signing up in Padlet, logging out and back in, as well as a couple of organization things. The first thing that I need you to do before you really get into Padlet is make sure that you are logged in with your GoLosAl account. So once you've done that, that'll make everything a lot easier. After that, come to sign up for free. From there, it'll give you a couple of different options of how you sign up for this. What I want you to do is, since you're signed in with your GoLosAl account, it's technically a Google account. So sign up with Google. You'll put that in and you'll choose which account you want to associate it with. Since you already are logged in with your GoLosAl account, click on that and it will create an account for you. It might ask you to go through a couple other things, but since I already have it signed up, you can see that it's added me to this page. Free accounts can have 3 pads, but don't worry about that. You're not going to use any of the pads. When you are done working on things, you can come up to the top right corner and you can log out. This is also where you can get your information. Particularly, I think going to the settings and profile are very helpful for setting up things like your name, your username, or changing your username, because they usually give you an auto-generated one, and things like that. Last thing that I want to cover is over on the left side. These are the recent ones that you've explored, as well as ones that are shared to you. When I send out an invitation to one of the Padlets, you will come to join a Padlet and you'll enter the URL right there. Or you can come to the shared one afterwards and you will work on one of the shared critique folders or critique Padlets that I have created. In the next video, I will cover how to create posts, add comments, and make other changes like that within the Padlet.